Hello everyone, I am Sesananda Sorangi. Welcome to my channel, The English Hub, makes English easy and lucid. As I have started this channel with a motto to give you the basic and fundamental knowledge about English. I have already completed the noun series. If you want to watch that noun series, then you can go to my playlist and you can watch that. And I have started the pronoun series. In that pronoun series, I have already uploaded around 3 to 4 videos in which I am discussing about different type of pronouns and their use. So today I am going to discuss another type of pronoun, that is indefinite pronoun. What is indefinite pronoun and what are its uses and why these pronouns are called indefinite pronouns. So today's topic of discussion is indefinite pronoun. Pronoun or pronouns. Those pronouns which are used to refer a group of person or things in general. It means that words when we use to refer general nouns, they are called indefinite pronouns. For example, one, everyone, someone, somebody, anyone, none. These are the examples of indefinite pronouns. Some of the boys are good. One should obey rules. None of the girls pass the exam. So these are the words: some, one, none. Few of the books are new. These are the words. Some is used for boy, one is used for rules, or none is used for girls, few is used for books. So these are called indefinite pronouns. The same words can be used as an adjective as well. The basic difference is that when noun comes after these indefinite words. For example, as I have written, some of the boys are good. Now I am just writing some boys are good. Now just try to understand the difference between these two sentences. Some of the boys are good. Here some is used as pronoun. But the same some, when it comes with boy, noun, it becomes an adjective. Do you understand? So these words, it depends upon the way we use them. The same word can be used as pronoun. The same word can be used as an adjective. When the word is not coming with a noun, and then it is used as pronoun. But the same word, when it comes with a noun, it is no longer a pronoun, rather it is an adjective. Okay, for this video, this much only. If you think my English will help yours and you can get the basic knowledge about parts of speech, do subscribe my channel, do like, share and comment.